Hi everyone, my name is Justin and welcome to my course, Importing Formatted Text Files, R Playbook. I am a mechatronics engineer and am currently an engineering professor at Sheridan College. Prior to this, I have many years of engineering and consulting experience across numerous industries. This course is a beginner-level course for learning the fundamentals of importing text files with R, so some prior knowledge of R might be beneficial. Some of the major topics that we will cover include importing text files in R, importing CSV files in R, importing delimited files in R, importing JSON files in R, and finally importing XML files in R. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in the fundamental techniques required to import formatted text files within R. From here, continue your learning by diving into R and data science with courses on R programming fundamentals, data science with R, and exploratory data analysis with R. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn importing formatted text files in R with the Importing Formatted Text Files R Playbook course at Pluralsight.